Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a high-converting thank you page in Shopify that helps boost repeat sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Customize your thank you page. Go to your Shopify admin, navigate to Settings greater than Checkout, and scroll to the Order Status page section. Use Shopify Plus or apps like Reconvert to fully customize the page. Step 2. Add a personalized message. Thank your customers with a warm, personalized note. Include their name and order details to make it feel special. Step 3. Offer an exclusive discount. Add a limited time discount code to encourage a second purchase. Display a countdown timer to create urgency. Step 4. Recommend related products. Use Shopify's product recommendation feature or apps to showcase items similar to their purchase. Highlight bestsellers, bundles, or subscription options. Step 5. Encourage social sharing and reviews. Add social media share buttons to let customers spread the word. Include a review request or testimonial link to build trust and credibility. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to create a thank you page that boosts repeat sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one.